Hi guys, Jennifer here. Welcome back to my channel. I am sharing with you the final flip through of this cute little tag book that I made. I'm using the Sam Poole Digitals. These are the Peony Season and her vintage doily. They're really pretty, and the project just came together so quickly because I had so much fun. So anyway, let me share with you what I did. I decorated it with some lace. I have some lace down here with pretty little rhinestones in the flowers and this little dangle. Here's some lace here. Now I've got the laces from different places, some of them Crafty Me Shop, some KS for You, and yeah, so I had fun playing around. So on the front page here is this little tag. Oh, I also used her snippets, and her snippets, I'll leave the link to that below, but it's like these numbers and letters and words, very neutral, and there's some pinks in there, and you could just add it to make a little embellishment. So this was one of the tags here on the file folder, and I used her pretty pictures. Oh, and I was using her stamps. She has stamps by Creative Expressions, and this one is called Beautiful Garden, and this little stamp here is right here. So these are clear stamps, and they're fun to play with. So they just look super cute on everything. And if you don't have the stamps, you can always use the digital that has the snippets. So this is one of her little images, the Peony Season. And I added this little ruffle lace here, some dangle trim, and this pretty applique flower. And you can see in the background it's called Vintage Doily, and as well on this tag. So super cute, and it just fits right in there, and I just put a little rosette and a little flower from a trim. Then you open up here and you have a cute little dangle on this tag. So this is from the Vintage Doily, and then that's just a file folder. And I just I used a punch, and I punched one of her little photos out, added a little rhinestone charm there and some pink lace into a bow at the top, and I made her little picture here a little tuck spot, so that goes right there. I added some lace trim there. Super pretty. And then this is what I did was I cut down the pictures, and I made two little pockets for little mini tags, and I used her stamps there. It fits right in there, and this one as well. And then it's on file folder. And then I used the stamp here as well from that stamp set. And then I just used a little safety pin there, and I used some lace. And then I added that pretty barely pink trim right there. And then you open up and you have such a pretty spread. Isn't that just so gorgeous? And in the middle here, I have this little picture that I made into a tag shape and added some lace at the top. I just love this because it has a little movement. And then this one I made into a tag as well. I added a piece of her snippet there, some trim and lace here with a little punch. And then I covered the back with the pretty doily papers. And then in here I have a lace pocket, and I added one of her pictures here with a snippet and a little piece of lace there. Isn't that pretty? That goes, and then her paper's in the background for the vintage doily. So that goes there. And then this one, I just made a belly band with the papers, added some applique, and this is her snippets. And then on the, let me cut that. And then right here on the corner, I just added a little piece of lace on that pretty picture, and I made it into a tag shape and covered the back. And you can journal on these because they are just super neutral, and they are perfect. And that fits right in there, and then you can still see off the edge just a little bit of that lace peeking out. So isn't that super cute, you guys? And then at the top here, I added some pretty pink trim and this pretty rosette here from Crafty Me Shop. Okay, and then when you close it up, on the back, I have another tag here with a paper clip. And I just put some lace down the side, one of her snippets, and tied some lace into the bow at the top. Covered the back, and then here's the collage back, so you can write on that as well. But isn't that super fun? I just had a blast creating this tag book, and I hope that you guys like it. So much fun. I really enjoyed this, and I love her pictures and her digitals. So stop by Sam Poole on Etsy. I'll leave all the information below. And thanks so much for stopping by my channel, you guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.